Hey guys, what's up? Stephen here, and we're back to another Roblox tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you on how you can make a disappearing platform as soon as the player touches the part or the model. So this is good for obstacle game course or OB game. This would be really good on those kind of scenarios or puzzle games or simply just a fun way in your lobby that you can use. So yeah, let's get it out. We work if you're new to the channel, we make Roblox tutorial. We also make games for people and or if you want to make games you need our help, we also do that. And yeah, basically this video is to teach you guys that because Roblox Studio has tons of tutorial but some are outdated, so we're trying to make a database for 2026 because Roblox Studio has changed so much in the past. So we're doing this so that we can share tutorials to people if they want to like create their own game. So let's start. So I have here a script and a part, and but before that, let's delete that because I need to test some stuff to see if I'll be teaching you the correct ones. So let's start with an open workspace wherein we just really open a game so that we can try to replicate what you would see as soon as you open Roblox Studio. So let's start. So assuming that you already know the basics of Roblox Studio, feel free to go to our channel. We teach a lot of stuff on Roblox Studio. So let's enter a part. So don't like that part. So let's say we would have a block here, and we're just gonna make, let's say, 10 square platforms. Let's say 10 square platforms, and then let's say do it like that. Mm, That's already okay. That's 12. So let's just make 8. And then let's just delete this base plate so that we could get oof on our platform just to make it feel more of an OB. And don't forget to add the function. Now, I'm not gonna teach you a lot of complex stuff. We're going to the scripting part, but there's a lot of ways you can do this. Um, in pasting it in every part, we also have like the collection service, but that's for another topic. This is still the basic way to do it. Like you script every part and then just copy paste the script. So what we want is we want to name the part, say part script.parent. We don't want twin, that's a complex version. So what we want is a part that touch, of course, thank you AI. And then we would want the character when everything is hit. We would want to consider it a humanoid. And we would want to know if it has a root is equals to humanoid root part, and then if humanoid and then root, no, we don't want that. We don't want that. And what we just want is the part to have a can collide, or sorry, can collide is equals to false, and part, oops, no, part dot can collide is equals to false, and part dot can touch is equals to false. But before that, we need to, oops, don't go there. We need to have task dot wait, and then let's wait for 3 seconds, and then let's go over to copy this paste, copy and paste this, and then we will have a new phase, which is we're gonna set this all back to their true value, and then we just need to end this function. And this is what's supposed to happen. So as soon as we touch this, we're gonna turn this off. Oops, we're gonna turn this off. And then what we want is to make it transparent, which is turning this to 1. So that would immediately vanish and you would fall down after 3 seconds, but we haven't put the transparency yet. So let's, oops, part dot transparency is equals to 1. And then let's copy paste this. 0, 0. Okay, so how it would go is that similarly to this part, which is the can collide and the can touch is there, it would go right back to something like this after 3 seconds. So let's test this out, but before we test it out, let's try to copy this first and paste it on the other parts as well. So let's play this. Supposedly, if I jump to this platform, it's gonna vanish in a few seconds, which is 3 seconds. If you want it to have a lower timeline, just adjust the task weight. So you could go like this, and those stuff should vanish one by one, and then it goes right back in. So yeah, that how it work. That how would this work? This would be cool on a puzzle game or an Obby game or a racing game wherein you jump to platforms with your friends. So yeah, I hope you learned something on this video. And if you have any other tutorials you would want us to do, feel free to comment down below. And if you like this, you learn something about it, press the like button and subscribe to us. Follow us for more of like this. We post daily, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.